What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. There you have it, May 14th, 2026. Now, as you know, I'm not only a hiker, but I also run as well. I race 5Ks, 10Ks, half marathons, and later this year, at the end of August, I'll be running in my first full marathon. So I'm really excited about that. So I figured it would be cool and different to show you guys a training video rather than the usual hiking content that I put out. So my goal for the marathon is to run sub 3 hours, which is not that easy to do. It means I have to run at a pace of at least 4:15 per kilometer or 6 minutes and 50 seconds per mile for 26.2 miles. So this is why a sub 3 marathon is such a huge goal for non-elite, non-pro runners like myself. Now today I'm going to take you on a speed workout. I'm going to be hitting the track for that in just a minute. Now, a great way to get faster is to run faster than your race pace, but you can only do that for so long. So what you would do is you would do something called intervals or repetitions, where you would run faster than your race pace for a certain distance and then recover and then repeat that. Today I'm going to be doing the classic 8 by 400 meters. So I'm going to be running 400 meters one time around a track, much faster than my race pace, and then I'm going to recover, and then I will repeat that 7 more times for a total of 8 reps. I'm also asking Fireblood to sponsor me after this video. I think that would be awesome. All right, guys, let's hit the track and get this workout done. All right, guys, made it to the track. I'm going to do about a 2-mile warm-up, and then we're going to head right into the speed workout. All right, guys, warm-up complete. Got a nice little sweat going. Going to get ready to do 8 by 400 meter, and in between each rep, I'm going to be recovering for a few minutes. Also, for my shoes, I am wearing the Adidas Adizero EVO SLs. Got these a few weeks ago, absolutely love them. Really nice bounce to them, they're fast. So I'm definitely gonna be checking them out on this speed workout and seeing how they perform. And let's get ready to roll. That is it for the video. Hope you enjoyed the different kind of content. And if you want to see more training videos, comment below, let me know. Also, the Adidas Adizero EVO SL shoes performed really good. I was very happy with their performance. I was able to pick up the pace pretty easily in them. So very happy with this purchase. Definitely check out the Adidas Adizero EVO SLs. It's a shoe that can do everything: easy runs, long runs, and you could even pick up the pace and do some speed workouts as well. So highly recommend. Glad I made this purchase. If you want to run a sub 3-hour marathon, you got to put in the work. So another workout complete, and catch you guys in the next one. Take care.